Okay, family, I'm back again with another pantry, what's in my pantry video. Stocking up because of the COVID-19. And also, I'm hearing a lot on the news about there's going to be a food shortage and especially meat shortage. And that means high prices for the meat that is left in the store. And I heard also the meat that they can't process, pigs, chicken, cows, are going to be butchered and not used. Poor animals. But anyway, so that's why I'm prepping and I'm stockpiling up our pantry so that we can have food in here. And I'm not planning on spending a fortune on food when this food shortage does come around. And I believe that is what's going to happen. I don't want that to happen, and I hope it doesn't happen, but just in case, I'm not going to take any chances of it's not, if it does or not. I'm going to be prepared, and we're going to stay ready over here. So what I'm sharing today is another order that I got online, some things that we can use in the pantry that'll keep. I have some kitchen bouquet. This doesn't have a lot of strange ingredients in it, so this product right here is all right for me to cook with. I did get me some more beans, and I got some green split peas. When I want to make soups and stuff, I'll just use a little bit of this in there. I got my husband some oatmeal raisin cookies. I have 3 boxes of saltine crackers in these dryer sheets here. I really don't like this scent, so I know not to buy this scent anymore. It was okay price, $2 and some change for 105 sheets. I also have the stovetop twin pack chicken. We have 2 packages of that, and I got some sardines. Sorry. 2 3-pack sardines. These are value packs. And I have also some, let me mess this name up, Mezzaretta roasted bell peppers. I love these peppers in potato salad, tuna salad, chicken salad, egg salad, macaroni salad, noodle salad, pea salad, bean salad. It's all good in all those kind of salads. And I also have some a 30-ounce container of unsalted whole cashews. I'm sparingly eating these. I like the flavor because they taste like stuffing turkey to me. I don't know why, but they do taste that way to me. That's good for me. I plan on using this in some of my food, these cashews crushed up. And I don't know why. I bought some cranberry sauce. And I have 10 cans of these Great Northern beans. And I also bought a can opener. I put it in the dishwater. I have to wash it. And I also got some unsalted top premium Nabisco crackers. I'm going to show y'all. Hold on. Take this can opener out the dishwater. Let me get some of this water off so y'all can see the can opener that I bought. It is, I don't know what that word on here says. It don't have no name on it. I took the tag off of it. But yeah, I bought this can opener because you definitely need a can opener for all these canned goods. I used to have an electric can opener. I don't know what happened to it. I think it might need cleaning. It comes on, but it might need cleaning because it quit opening up the can. So I'll probably have to take that thing off and wash it. But I got this can opener just in case it might really be broke. So yep, I got this online order to help stock up the pantry. Doomsday. Yes, it's like a doomsday around this dang world. All this coronavirus, no cure, no end in sight so far. You guys better stock up on some food, whatever kind, that's going to last in case the worst happens. Get some canned goods, get some beans, get some snacks, get some crackers, get some canned sardine, get some canned meat. Get something. But don't just lay there and do nothing, because we in a pandemic and you're in a doomsday type kind of situation. It may sound crazy now and it's funny, ha 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 ha, but don't just sit there and don't do nothing, because I'm telling you, you better do something, because a food shortage will be coming if things don't change soon. And prices, oh, they already in the store limiting 1 pack of meat per customer. I seen that in the Sam's Club. I had 2 packs of wings. They snatched my wings right out that basket. I'm telling y'all, get your meat, get your food, and don't hesitate. Don't sleep on this virus. And be safe while you're out there. Bye.